You know, a lot of guys have been asking me about this hood I have, and I swear I thought I did a video on it, but I haven't. This is a fiberglass hood, and it does have the capabilities of breathing. It's a functional hood. It has the cowl induction lift in the middle, and this is reminiscent of some other Dodge Ram hoods. Let me open the hood for you. So, like I said, it is functional. This here goes all the way to there. It comes over here, and this is where it sets down on your air box. I don't have an air box, but most of you guys will have the air box there if you don't have the twin turbo set up. So there's that, and there's the vents, and I just put a stick light LED battery lit. So there you go. Sorry guys, thought that I did this video, but I haven't. So my bad. Be good. Oh, and I'll leave a link to where you can buy the hood. Alright guys, be cool.